Hello guys. Today, we are going to cover 5 best stands for webcams in the market, which are the best for you considering some valid reasons that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our top pick is MamaWin Lightweight Mini Webcam Tripod. The MamaWin Lightweight Mini Webcam Tripod for smartphone is the perfect solution for anyone needing to capture professional quality video or photos with their smartphone. This compact and lightweight tripod is perfect for travel or to use on the go. It features a durable aluminum construction and a flexible adjustable height to fit any size phone. The adjustable phone holder can accommodate phones up to 8.9 inches in width and can be angled to the perfect position for your shot. The tripod also includes a secure mounting screw to fit most webcams, including the Logitech Webcam C925e. The tripod also comes with a universal phone mount which allows you to use your phone with other tripods. This mini tripod is perfect for streaming, vlogging, and recording videos with your smartphone. It's the perfect solution for anyone looking to take their photography and videography to the next level. Pros: lightweight and portable design. Compatible with Logitech Webcam C920/C922 and other small cameras. Adjustable height and angle for optimal viewing angles. Built-in phone holder for smartphones. Non-slip rubber feet for stability. Cons: not compatible with large cameras. Not suitable for heavier cameras. Number 2. Our second best pick is Amada Webcam Light Stand. The Amada Webcam Light Stand for live stream, Selfie Ring Light with Webcam Mount for Logitech C925e, C922X, C930e, C922, C930, C920, C615, Brio 4K AMWS01 is a must-have accessory for live streamers, gamers, and content creators. This light stand provides perfect light for streaming and creating content, while also securely mounting your Logitech C925e, C922X, C930e, C922, C930, C920, C615, Brio 4K webcam. It features an adjustable, dimmable LED ring light that provides up to 3600 lux of brightness and a color temperature of 3300K to 5600K. The adjustable light stand ensures that you can get the perfect angle and has a maximum height of 39 inches and a minimum height of 13 inches. This light stand also includes a sturdy base and a flexible arm so you can easily adjust the light to your needs. With the Amada Webcam Light Stand, you'll be able to stream and create content in perfect lighting, no matter where you are. Pros: easy to install and use. Adjustable height and tilt. Lightweight and portable. Compatible with multiple webcams. Dimmable LED ring light for perfect lighting conditions. Can be used for live streaming and selfies. Cons: not compatible with all webcams. Can be difficult to adjust the height and tilt for some users. LED ring light may be too bright for some users. Number 3. Our third best pick is G-Kodo 58-inch DSLR tripod. The Dazn D50 LED video light panel lights 15.4-inch, 2 packs, is a perfect solution for videography professionals, YouTubers, or anyone looking to add high-quality lighting to their work. These LED panels produce an impressive 45 watt of light, with a CRI of 96+ that provides excellent color accuracy. The adjustable color temperature range from 3000K to 8000K allows you to customize your lighting to create the perfect atmosphere. The dimmable lights feature a 0 to 100% dimming range, so you can adjust the light intensity to your exact needs. The slim design and lightweight construction make them easy to take on the go and set up quickly. With the included filters, you can create unique lighting effects for your projects. The Dazn D50 LED video light panel lights 15.4-inch, 2 packs, is an ideal choice for any videographer or photographer looking to add professional-grade lighting to their work. Pros: lightweight aluminum alloy construction for easy portability. 360-degree panorama ball head for precise angle adjustments. Quick release plate for quick camera mounting and dismounting. Non-slip rubber feet for added stability. Easy to adjust legs and center column. Cons: maximum load capacity of 17.6 pounds may not be sufficient for heavier cameras. Tripod legs are not adjustable to various angles. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Amada Webcam Stand. The Amada Webcam Stand is a perfect accessory for anyone wanting to take their video conferencing to the next level. This desk mount camera arm is designed to hold your webcam securely and allow you to adjust the angle and position with ease. This stand is compatible with the Logitech W8, W5, C922, C930e, C930, C920, and C615 cameras, so you can be sure that your webcam will fit perfectly. The clamp mount suspension scissor tripod stand holder offers a secure and stable base for your webcam, so that you can record your conferences or streams without worrying about your camera moving or shaking. The adjustable arm can be moved up, down, left, and right to provide you with the perfect angle for your shot. The stand is made of durable metal and plastic, so you can be sure that it will last for years to come. This is the perfect accessory for any serious video conference or streamer. Pros: sturdy and durable design. Easy to install and adjust. Compatible with many webcams. Adjustable arm allows for various angles. Compact and lightweight design. Cons: may not be suitable for heavier webcams. May require some additional accessories for proper installation. May need to be adjusted for optimal stability and balance. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Forever Magnetic Camera Mount. This multifunctional Forever Magnetic Camera Mount and magnetic camera stand is perfect for photographers and videographers who need extra stability and support for their cameras. Its magnetic foot securely attaches to steel or other magnetic surfaces, making it a safe and secure option for camera mounting. The mini ball head allows for easy adjustment and control of the camera's angle and direction, while the heavy-duty metal construction ensures durability. This mount is perfect for capturing photos and videos in any location, giving you the freedom to capture the perfect shot. Whether you're shooting at a concert, a crowded street, or your own backyard, this magnetic camera mount and stand will make sure your camera is always secure and steady. Pros: securely attached to steel or other magnetic surfaces. Heavy-duty metal construction. Compact and lightweight design. Easy to use mini ball head. Allows you to quickly and easily mount your camera. Cons: not suitable for use on non-magnetic surfaces. Not suitable for heavier cameras and lenses. Can be prone to sliding on smooth surfaces. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback. Have a great day.